Are you worried about your retirement savings in these shaky markets? In recent times, we've witnessed quite the roller coaster ride in the financial markets. Consumer prices have been on the rise more than expected, causing some dips in the market. Remember back in April when we saw this volatility? It's events like these that can make anyone a bit jittery, especially when considering how these fluctuations impact our golden years. But let's not forget about the stock market. It too has had its share of ups and downs. There have been moments of surge, even when consumer confidence was at a record low. Then there were other times when stocks reacted negatively to a higher than expected inflation report. It's a dynamic landscape that can certainly influence your retirement savings. And let's not overlook the role of interest rates. The Federal Reserve has been actively adjusting rates in an attempt to combat potential recessions and control inflation. These rate hikes can have a major effect on the value of your savings, especially if you're invested in fixed income assets like Treasury securities or certificates of deposit. But here's the key takeaway. While these market changes can be unsettling, they're a normal part of the economic cycle. And when it comes to your retirement savings, it's important to focus on the long term rather than getting caught up in the daily ebbs and flows of the market. Remember, market volatility is not necessarily a cause for panic. Let's explore why. Financial experts have weighed in on how to manage retirement savings during turbulent times. In a world where markets can be as unpredictable as the weather, it's crucial to have a solid plan for your retirement savings. Experts often emphasize the importance of focusing on long-term goals. This means not getting too caught up in the day-to-day fluctuations of the market. Instead, keep your eyes on the horizon, remembering that retirement savings are a marathon, not a sprint. Rebalancing portfolios is another powerful tool in your financial toolbox. This strategy involves adjusting your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and capacity. For instance, it might mean moving assets from high-risk stocks to low-risk fixed-income investments like Treasury securities and CDs. Especially in times of high interest rates, this can be a smart move. Diversifying investments is another key piece of advice from experts. Diversity in your portfolio can act as a safety net, spreading the risk across different types of investments. It's like the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying ensures that if one sector of the market dips, you have other investments that can help balance out the loss. But perhaps one of the most critical pieces of advice is to avoid making hasty decisions. In times of market volatility, it can be tempting to react quickly to changes. But remember, retirement savings are for the long haul. Knee-jerk reactions can often do more harm than good. Instead, regularly review and adjust your retirement savings strategies. This allows you to make informed, thoughtful decisions rather than ones driven by panic or fear. These strategies are not just about surviving market volatility, but thriving despite it. They can help to safeguard your retirement savings, ensuring that when the time comes, you can retire comfortably. As you can see, there are several strategies to consider during market volatility. One strategy experts often recommend is rebalancing your portfolio. Now, what does rebalancing mean, and how can it help align your risk tolerance and capacity? Well, think of it like adjusting the weights on a scale to maintain a balanced state. In terms of investing, rebalancing is the process of realigning the proportions of your portfolio's assets to maintain your desired level of risk and return. Imagine your portfolio as a pie chart, where each slice represents a different type of investment. Over time, the sizes of these slices can change as some investments perform better than others. If one slice gets too big, it may expose you to more risk than you're comfortable with. That's where rebalancing comes in. It's about trimming back the larger slices and using those funds to bulk up the smaller ones, thereby ensuring that your portfolio continues to reflect your original investment strategy. Now let's talk about how this can be beneficial. In times of market volatility, when high-risk stocks may be on a roller coaster ride, rebalancing can help protect your retirement savings. It allows you to shift your assets from these high-risk stocks to low-risk fixed-income investments such as treasury securities and certificates of deposit or CDs. These types of investments are generally considered to be safer and can provide a steady income stream, especially in times of high interest rates. But remember, rebalancing is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires regular review and adjustment. You might choose to rebalance your portfolio annually, semi-annually, or even quarterly, depending on your investment goals and market conditions. It's less about timing the market and more about staying true to your investment strategy. In conclusion, rebalancing is a proactive way to manage risk and align your investment portfolio with your retirement goals. It's about taking control of your financial future and making informed decisions that align with your long-term objectives. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, consider rebalancing as a tool to help navigate the ups and downs of the market. Managing retirement savings in volatile markets requires a calm and strategic approach. Over the course of this video, we've delved into the importance of keeping a clear head and staying focused on your long-term goals. Even when the financial seas get a bit choppy, we've discussed how the markets naturally ebb and flow, with periods of highs and lows. Yet it's crucial to remember that these fluctuations are a part of the journey. And while it's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day shifts, it's your long-term financial health that truly matters. We've also explored the concept of rebalancing your portfolio. This strategy allows you to align your investments with your risk tolerance and capacity, particularly in a down market. By moving assets from high-risk stocks to low-risk fixed-income investments like treasury securities and CDs, you can better position yourself to withstand market dips. Diversification has been another key topic. Spreading your investments across various sectors and asset classes can help reduce risk and potentially smooth out returns over time. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket, so to speak. Finally, we've emphasized the importance of making informed decisions. Rather than making hasty moves based on short-term market movements, it's beneficial to regularly review and adjust your retirement savings strategies. Seek advice from financial experts and consider your own financial situation and goals. So what's the takeaway here? It's simple. Stay calm, stay focused, and stay strategic. Remember, your retirement savings are for the long haul. Even when markets are shaky, keep your eyes on the horizon and your hands steady on the wheel. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.